At least 80 people are believed to have died when a huge fire engulfed a tower block in West London last month. It's impossible to know how those people caught up in the Grenfell tragedy must have felt. But today's seminar is an attempt to take stock of some of the lessons that can be learnt, in particular in respect of insurance and property management.
Good morning, thank you for coming to this seminar. It's sadly called a post-Grenfell seminar because of those sad events which we all saw on our TV screens.
Gibraltar's not immune from litigation. We know that from Marachi and Yuska and RBS, all those sort of things. We're not immune from it just because we're this nice, cosy community. And if something bad happens, you can bet your bottom dollar that the litigators will be over here. And so many of us need protecting.
The main message, as far as I'm concerned, is for people to look at the insurances they have in place and to make sure that they are up to speed really for the present day exposures, as highlighted with what's happened with the terrible events at Grenfell.
How does Grenfell change things?
It brings into focus the responsibilities that fall on different parties. It brings into focus, as far as I'm concerned, that everyone involved has to look out for their exposures.
The predominant concern for management companies is really their obligation to maintain, repair, renew. You have to keep on top of that maintenance and renewal and replacement from the get-go and ensure, and obviously there are guarantees and warranties in place, so you want to take advantage of those if anything fails, but more importantly you do have to keep on top of that, because that is probably the largest risk of exposure. If anything falls into disrepair and something untoward were to happen, that's where the liability is likely to arise.
The attendees here are a mix of professions from housing associations, landlords, tenants, contractors, all interested in ensuring that if this ever happens again on their watch, that they are fully protected. And our message from the insurance world is look very carefully at the insurances you arrange. If you are carrying out refurbishment, building works, make sure your insurers know, because insurers can decline claims on the basis of non-disclosure.
Are you, in your capacity, whether it's personal or professional, exposed should something untoward happen in which you are making a decision? So whether I'm choosing a type of paint at Ocean Village, or whether I'm advising a property developer to go for this type of finish, not that type of finish, if, God forbid, in 2 or 3 years' time that was a poor decision, is someone going to help me through the mess that will follow through?
You don't actually have to have done something wrong. It can be alleged that you've done something wrong. You have to protect it, or protect the position. That will incur time, costs to defend.
An inquiry is being carried out into the Grenfell Tower fire. The Metropolitan Police is considering manslaughter, health and safety and fire safety charges. Civil claims are also expected. Today's seminar invited us to take a step back and review our own insurance protection.